Imagine a world where data runs wild, unchecked and unregulated. Sounds chaotic, right? That's where the role of data governance in master data management comes into play. It's the unsung hero of the information management world, ensuring that every piece of data is accurate, reliable and ready to drive business decisions. Picture a bustling city. This city represents an organization and the citizens are the data. Now, without proper governance, this city would quickly fall into disarray. The traffic lights wouldn't sync, public services would fail, and the city would become unlivable. That's an organization without data governance in its master data management. Take, for example, a global retail company, let's call it RetailCo. RetailCo was struggling with inaccurate data, leading to wrong business decisions and lost revenue. They had data everywhere, in their CRM, ERP systems, spreadsheets and databases. But the problem was there was no single source of truth. Recognizing this, RetailCo decided to implement a robust data governance strategy as part of their master data management. They appointed data stewards to oversee the quality, consistency and security of their data. They also implemented policies and procedures to ensure data accuracy and consistency across all systems. This wasn't a small task. It involved coordinating with different departments, training staff on new processes, and continuously monitoring and improving their data governance strategy. But the results were worth it. Once RetailCo had their data governance in place as part of their master data management, they saw a significant improvement in their data quality. Decision makers could trust the data they were using, leading to more accurate business decisions. They reduced their risk of compliance issues as they had clear policies and procedures in place. And they increased their operational efficiency as employees didn't have to spend time searching for or correcting data. So, what's the key takeaway from this case study? The role of data governance in master data management is crucial. It's about more than just managing data, it's about enabling the organization to use that data effectively and efficiently. In summary, data governance in master data management is like the traffic lights in our city analogy. It keeps everything running smoothly, ensuring that data is accurate, consistent and reliable. Without it, organizations risk making inaccurate business decisions, facing compliance issues and wasting time and resources on managing data. Remember, data is only as valuable as its accuracy and reliability. That's why data governance in master data management is not just important, it's essential.